Hello and welcome to Q Programming, and in today's video, we are presenting you CS for All, 100% free and complete reference book for the CBSE Computer Science curriculum. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how we've created this book for your benefit. So the first thing we've done is we've done the sample paper analysis. So the sample paper chapter wise. So as you know, there are 4 units we've divided it into, as you can see in this table. So there are 4 units: revision of class 11 functions, Python standard library functions, and file handling. These 4 units are the categories we've divided these questions into. You can also see the pie chart available to see how the questions have been distributed in the sample paper, which may or may not be the same as the actual board paper. So you can see this pie chart here. We have file handling, which has a maximum weightage in this paper. So based on that, we now go on to a strategy and a difficulty section. So over here, you can see a strategy that we can use to attempt this paper, because we've also distributed these questions in the form of the time it'll take to solve these questions, right? So we have single facts and syntax, small evaluation questions, and long output finding questions. All these types of questions we have here, and we've divided them. So we've also given a pie chart for that as well to see how the distribution of these questions are according to the time they'll take to solve them. And based on that, we've given you a strategy to efficiently solve this and solve with maximum accuracy. Keeping in mind that we can also leave questions in this format. We can leave 10 questions in the total of the paper. And this will help us in scoring the maximum amount we can, as we can leave questions we don't know. And we can also skip questions that we may not know properly, as we have some space for that. And then also to manage the time, we've created that strategy for you as well.
All right. So other than that, not only does this book have the sample paper analysis, we have, like you can see the table of contents. Each and every chapter, we have the detailed theory, which is not just restricted to what's written in the NCERT. There are more things as well, because the computer science subject is very vast and it's not just limited to the NCERT. So let's, for example, take up chapter 2. All right. So that link doesn't work. I'll scroll down. That's fine. So let's look at chapter 1. So in this is the first chapter's revision of class 11, right? And we have explained all the concepts. We have made it in a concise way and detailed at the same time. So that way, it's always a good tool to revise as well as understand the concepts if you're unsure of them. And not only have we just explained the theory, we've used diagrams, as you can see here, and we've used code snippets to explain things, tables to revise from. These kind of things are very useful to revise a few days before the exam, or to study yourself a lot of the time before the exam, right? And we've done a lot of things and we've explained all the concepts. So it's a good tool for revision. And not only have we done the theory, we've also created a question bank for each and every chapter. Like if I scroll down in chapter 1 itself, we have firstly the solved examples, which are mostly from the sample question paper of 2021. And other than that, we also have our own questions, which we have created, which are here, and they're all MCQ questions. And we have a few types of MCQs. Some are standalone questions, some are evaluation type questions, some are case study questions, and we've included all the possible types you could find in the sample paper and more, so that you can practice in the best way possible and score the best in the exam.
These questions have been created according to the pattern that we've seen in the sample paper. So whatever we saw there is what you will see in these questions. They won't be the same questions. They'll be new questions that we've created on our own. So you won't find them in other books as well. And they're strictly according to the pattern that this board has given, according to the sample paper and according to the case-based questions they've released in their document as well. So these questions are very similar to those. So it should be a good practice and good preparation for the board.
Yeah, and this is, again, like I said, a good source of revision and studying, depends on how you want to use it. But more than anything, it's a great source of practice, since, like someone said, these questions are not found in any other book. So you can just, if you want, you can print them out and attempt them by hand on paper, and you will actually benefit a lot from it, because that is how the actual board exam will be conducted in the first term. It will be entirely MCQs. And yeah, other things like you should know how to attempt these MCQs, how to know eliminating options, and these kind of things will only come by practice, and we've provided a lot of questions for you to practice from.
This book is 100% free, so there's nothing to lose. You can go check the link in the description to download this book. It's free. We'll also be coming out with other versions of this book for the term 2 in class 12 and also for class 11. So if you want those, you can check those out as well in the future. We'll let you know when those come out. So click the link in the description. It's 100% free. We don't collect much info from you. That's it. You just have to click the link and you'll get a link to the PDF where you can download it. So don't worry about that. There's nothing to lose from it, and we don't collect any of your data from this.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn on notifications, because we also have videos coming out on our channel, which will be a good extra material for you to revise and to learn new concepts, since we have detailed videos for each topic in each chapter for class 11, especially this first term with the boards coming. So make sure you check those out and subscribe to our channel and share this video with all your friends who are taking the exam this year, because this book is a very useful tool for them as well. So make sure they also get it. It's 100% free, as I said. And it's also a very thorough book. It's very concise, and the notes are very detailed. So everything you will need is in this book. And the best part is, as I said, it's free.
So be sure to check it out. And on our channel itself, we have already a lot of videos for the sample paper that has just been released. Even though this has an analysis, I have solved the sample paper. So go check it out if you want to learn how to solve it. Thank you. And good luck for your boards.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the description.